The story of the Labubu doll in English. 1. Origin or creator. Labubu was born in 2015 from the creative mind of Kasing Lung, a Hong Kong-born illustrator raised in Utrecht and based later in Belgium. The character emerged within his picture book series titled The Monsters, drawing on Nordic folklore, European fairy tale imagery, and childhood curiosities about mythical forest creatures. Labubu, in particular, stands out with its wide eyes, 9 sharp teeth, scruffy appearance, and pointed ears. Though becoming a collectible icon, the character remained relatively obscure until Lung partnered with Pop Mart, a Chinese designer toy company, in 2019. Pop Mart's expertise in blind box mystery collectible toys transformed Labubu from an illustration into a highly sought-after art toy worldwide. Theme: unique appeal or popularity. Labubu embodies a cute but creepy aesthetic, playful yet slightly eerie, which taps into the kimokawaii creepy cute cultural charm. The character's mythical elf-like design, mischievous grin, and collectible formats all contribute to its emotional appeal. Chart: the blind box phenomenon. Most Labubu toys come in sealed, blind boxes, meaning buyers don't know which version they'll receive until they open it. This unpredictability enhances the thrill of hunting for rare editions and fuels the collective frenzy. Patch: explosive social media influence. Labubu's popularity skyrocketed thanks to celebrity exposure, notably when Blackpink's Lisa was seen with it in 2024. This catapulted the doll into global mainstream attention, garnering interest from celebrities like Rihanna, David Beckham, and others. Chair: massive collectability or market value. Pop Mart has released over 300 versions of Labubu, varying in size, costume, and color. Retail prices typically range from $15 for small vinyl figures to $960 for mega editions, with some rare models fetching astronomical sums at auctions. In fact, one life-size Labubu sold for $170,000 in Beijing, ranking among the most expensive dolls ever sold. 7. Expanding lore or fan culture. Labubu isn't just one character, it belongs to a quirky, mischievous tribe of creatures including names like Zimomo, Mokoko, Taikoko, Pato, and Spooky. These characters are part of a whimsical lore, inspired by beloved fairy tale and nostalgic references like the Smurfs and Where the Wild Things Are. Art. Cultural significance. Labubu reflects a blend of designer toy artistry, pop culture, and nostalgia, showing how Hong Kong creativity and Chinese manufacturing can capture global attention. Its rise also exemplifies how collectibles are now fashion statements, cultural icons, and even investment assets.